Welcome back. This Tuesday morning, we're getting you details of an exclusive news break here on India Today. We've accessed WhatsApp chats of Aryan Khan with Ananya Panday and with several of his friends, where he discusses in detail about the consumption of drugs and about procuring drugs as well. In these WhatsApp chats between Aryan Khan and Ananya Panday, there is a discussion about weed in which it looks like Ananya is supplying drugs to Aryan. These chats date back to 2019. But what you see on your screens is perhaps the most incriminating chats against Aryan Khan. Aryan, in a conversation which was in fact just about a month ago in a group with his friends, says, let's get cocaine tomorrow. He's also seen, ironically, threatening his friends in the name of NCB. Aryan, in another chat, is seen talking about bulk buying of narcotic substance. In the chat, the NCB has also confirmed that he bought 80,000 rupees worth of weed from a drug supplier called Ajit Kumar, who is now in the NCB custody. Now, what we're hearing is that the NCB suspects that there are more celebrity kids involved, because there are WhatsApp chats of Aryan Khan with 3 other celebrity kids. And it looks likely that the NCB is going to rope them in on the investigation as well. We don't have the names just yet, so we will continue getting you the latest on the investigation also by the NCB. But remember, this is happening. These chats have emerged at a time when Aryan Khan's bail plea comes up for hearing today in the Bombay High Court, and his legal team has an uphill task now of going ahead and explaining exactly what those chats on your screen mean, especially where Aryan Khan says, let's get cocaine tomorrow. Now, let's take this across to Mustafa Sheikh as well. Mustafa, I want to focus on the chat between Aryan and Ananya as well. What really does this mean for Ananya Panday? Because if you look at those chats, there's a clear mention of Ananya supplying drugs, supplying weed to Aryan.
And this is an important lead which the NCB has got, and it's being said that it is an important evidence. What we see here, live visuals of DDG Ashok Muthajain, who has reached the NCB office to try and get a reaction. Sir, some कुछ चैट सामने आए और आर्यन के उस पे क्या कहना है, NCB के लिए एक बड़ा सबूत होगा हाई कोर्ट में जब ये बेल एप्लीकेशन अपोज करते हैं आर्यन खान की?
मैं केस के बारे में कोई कमेंट नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
सर, दिल्ली से टीम ऑफ ऑफिशियल आने वाले हैं क्या, जो एलिगेशन नवाब मलिक साहब की तरफ से किए गए इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के?
हाँ, मुझे भी ऐसा सूचना मिली है कि कोई टीम आ रही है।
कुछ नए केस की लिस्ट सामने आई है, कहा जा रहा है एनसीबी ऑफिसर द्वारा नवाब मलिक को एक लिस्ट भेजी गई 26 केसेस की, जिसमें कई एलिगेशन।
हाँ, एक पेपर मेरे पास भी व्हाट्सएप पे आया है जिसमें तमाम बातें लिखी हुई है। वी विल टेक नेसेसरी एक्शन।
सर, क्या लगता है वो लेटर के बारे में, क्या मतलब?
नो कमेंट्स, आई सेड वी विल टेक नेसेसरी एक्शन।
कोई दे सकता है कि एनसीबी से कोई ऐसा हो सकता है? हाँ सर।
So that was Ashok Muthajain, the DDG of Narcotic Control Bureau Mumbai, who has said that they will be taking cognizance of the details of the NCB investigations which are coming out. At the same point of time, he has clearly said that the chats which have been come forward, they will not comment on the investigations which are going on, but necessarily so once the case comes up with High Court, it will be an important ground for the NCB to oppose Aryan Khan's bail. First, the WhatsApp chats, and secondly, Ananya Panday's statement and what she has said in those statements. Back to you.
Okay, so that is a conversation that Mustafa's had with the NCB DDG on the entire case so far that the NCB is building. It's primarily based on WhatsApp chats, and those chats are on your screens, where there's a conversation between Aryan Khan, his friends, one of them being Ananya Panday, and in another WhatsApp group in which Aryan is the admin, which has many of his friends. He's seen discussing about getting cocaine. He says, let's get cocaine tomorrow. There's also a conversation in which Aryan is seen saying, I'll get you all in trouble with the NCB. He uses an expletive there, to which his friends also laugh. Ironically, now Aryan Khan is in the Arthur Road jail because of the Narcotics Control Bureau. And that is the kind of conversation that's had. That particular WhatsApp chat that I'm referring to in a group with his friends actually happened just a few weeks back. Last month is when that conversation happened. So that by itself is hugely incriminating for Aryan Khan. On a day when his bail plea comes up in the Bombay High Court, it's going to be an uphill task, really, for his legal team to explain that chat of let's get cocaine tomorrow. Has there been any reaction from Aryan's legal team on this, Mustafa? What's going to be their line of argument now?
Well, since the day one, the defense lawyers are saying that just the WhatsApp chats are not evidence enough, as it has been cited in Riya Chakrabarti's case by the High Court. At the same point of time, they are saying that even if they are, there is no evidence to prove that Aryan Khan had taken narcotics. The third important thing is that Aryan Khan has been arrested and has been behind bar for about more than 20 days, and the punishment which is made out in this entire case is of 1 year. So he should be released on bail, because keeping him in jail will not be of any use, or not serve the investigation of the case. So the main important argument the defense lawyers of Aryan Khan will be arguing on is that what is the need to put Aryan Khan behind bars till the time this entire case is investigated, and if they are able to convince the judge that if Aryan Khan comes out of the jail it will not affect the investigation, then it's likely then it can go in their favor. If the NCB says that there is a conspiracy, there is a drug racket which they want to investigate further, and Aryan Khan's judicial custody is required, then the court may change its decision. Back to you.
Let's see what happens at the Bombay High Court. But in the meanwhile, we here at India Today are getting you those exclusive details. Nowhere else will you see these chats on your screens, really, of Aryan Khan chatting with his friends about drugs. And this is the proof that the NCB says they have. They submitted this in the Mumbai Sessions Court. They're going to be producing this in all likelihood in the Bombay High Court, where Aryan Khan's bail plea comes up in a few hours from now. I'm slipping into a very short break here on India Today. We're getting you the latest updates on the story and much more on the other side. Stay with